What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the garage. I can actually say the garage again now. Finally got my cars back. So the 86 is obviously here. The 370 is out there. What I'm working on at the moment, I've got a set of these, basically these wheels here. So a set of Bathurst globes, and they're like an original set from way back, made by Mullins or CSA. So yeah, basically they're for this car over here. So they're for the Gemini down there. Yeah, some 18-inch wheels, which anyone that's followed along with the resto would know that basically it's, you know, stock standard, everything's standard about it except for the hot up motor, bit of a survivor car. So yeah, I reckon these wheels here are a bit more period correct. So they all looked, I'm not too sure if you're going to be able to see it in there, but they all look like this, like Rod. And yeah, so I made my own sandblaster, and I'll do video, like I videoed all that. I made a sandblaster kit from scratch. So anyone that's interested in, you know, seeing how a sandblaster can be made, I guess, you know, jump down in the comments and let me know, and I'll do a step-by-step guide to making your own sandblaster. Just basically need a compressor and a few bits of hose and a few bits and pieces and a bigger nozzle. But anyway, yeah, as I said, if you're interested in that, let me know, and I'll do a video on that. But back to the wheels, I sandblasted them yesterday. Back to today. So today I am refurbing these wheels. I'm going to paint them. Decided after talking to Sebastian, who anyone that knows, this is Sebastian's Gemini, a 4-year-old. So plan is to paint all of in here gunmetal grey, or like it's actually like a charcoal grey, and then leave all the high points polished, a bit more old school. But yeah, so a bit of work to do. So I guess for a test, rather than go all the way down and do all of them, I'm just going to do one wheel first. So what I might do is mask that up, and then give it a paint and see what it looks like. Okay, so that's really just the lip. I just want to protect the lip. So basically I'll paint all that, and then we just go along with some emery paper and just take this high point off here and bring it back to shiny. I'm still undecided about that, so I'm just going to paint the whole thing and just see what it looks like. Okay, let's go and give it a paint. Yeah, I think the colour looks good. Should suit the Gem. Alright, let's keep doing some more wheels. Okay, so just a bit of a work in progress. As you know, that's all been wire wheeled now, and that one there was the test paint. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. A bit unsure as to whether to take the polish this edge again, like you see on back in the day, or whether just leave it like that. I guess it looks a bit like a B45 Simmons. Just a tiny little 13-inch one there. Yeah, I don't know. What do you reckon? You reckon leave it like that or polish the edge here? Yeah, let me know down in the comments, and yeah, I'll keep on going. All right, that's all the wheels painted. So just got them painted there. Something that's pretty funny, I guess, is if you look at that compared to the size of that. I don't know what's more comical. How small the 13 is or how big the 18 is on the Gemini. I guess both have the place. Like, I'm not going to hate on people that like big, you know, sex factor wheels, but I just want something a bit more traditional, so that's in there. So, yeah. Okay, that's all the wheels done. So yeah, all de-taped. I'm gonna put some valves in and put some tyres on. Chunky. Yeah, tyre wall on that looks pretty random, but I don't know. Let's put it on the car and see what it looks like. What do you reckon? I'm kind of not ashamed to admit it, but I actually think the big 18s look cooler on it. Well, these don't look too bad, but they're definitely small. Yeah, maybe it's just something I've got to get used to. Stand back a bit. Definitely a different look, isn't it? Yeah, definitely different. I guess as a comparison, I actually think it looks cooler with the big wheels. What do you reckon? Don't know. I might put all the tyres on, take it for a drive and see what it at least drives like. Alrighty, well that's the wheels done on the Gemini. What's everyone's verdict? I personally like them. I think 14s or 15s might be better, so I might contact Jay from CSA and see if they do like a modern 14 or 15, probably something like 8 wide. But yeah, look, I think the 18s look pretty cool, but yeah, it's hard to say they don't look cool as well. Like, they're just obviously different era. Yeah, so I'm not too sure what everyone thinks about it. I think I might actually take the grey off the edges of the spokes. But yeah, there she is. Well, that's another little step in the Gemini project. So thanks for watching along, and yeah, back to got to work on the 8.6. Got some stuff going on with that as well. But yeah, in 2 days time, city cruise, so probably relax over this weekend for summernats. Take the Gemini out, have a bit of a look at some cars. So keep an eye out for that content. Peace out. Thanks guys.